Hey, hey, buddy. Hey, hey.
Hey, settle down. Whoa, careful. You're going to read the book to Bubby? To William? He's going to show me the pictures. It's alright.
Oh, little buddy. Bye. I'll go a book.
You change, you've got to feed a meter outside.
You need to make up your mind what you're doing. Whether you're dropping us off and using the car and coming back, or whether we take the car.
No.
Careful, careful. Bobby just wants to have a look too. You're going to show him? You're going to show William?
No.
No.
Yeah, book.
Okay.